Tangina mo si.
Bobo talaga ni Z.
Kinukulit niya nga.
Guys, ready. Shallow on the gate in 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the gate. On the gate, on the gate, on the gate, on the gate, on the gate. Fine.
Stacking shaper, stacking shaper.
Na-silence yan, na-silence.
Fine, 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 fine. Be careful front, be careful front, be careful front. Yeah. Sige lang, go lang. Go. Guys, ready. Hold, pull downs. Ready on the jump.
Yep.
On the jump down. 5,
Wait.
4. Hold.
5 seconds.
Hold. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. Guys, everything on the jump down. 3, 2, 1. Everything on the jump. Ready defensive. Gagong lang.
Tayo.
Ina mo! Oh my God, spread.
Amen.
Spread. Walang nakakita. Spread guys, they're looking.
Defensive. Okay,
They're looking front. They still have another engage. Spread lang kayo. Tinabla dito.
Alert yung shaper ah.
Ilan cooldown sila dalawa?
Shaper down north.
10
We wait
seconds.
for the shaper before we engage. Wait for the shaper before we engage.
Silence
Spread
yung,
lang
balista.
Chill.
Balista. Iden.
Atin ang shaper.
Dalawa cooldown sila, keep plus shaper.
Isa. Isang
one
mabigat
plus shaper.
engage.
Okay.
One plus shaper. Fake.
Ngayon, wala na akong ano ngayon, homesick ngayon.
KJB nasa north side. Right north.
Yeah, I'm just waiting. Front.
Okay.
Oh my God, Chirin died.
Dismount lang.
Shaper stacking
He's
guard
stacking up, shaper.
Yeah, just
Jack,
wait for that.
Shaper,
Shaper now.
Careful, bro.
Shaper. Ready, guys. Hold them now. Fake now. Santi fake, then jug fake.
Wait, dismounted jug.
Okay. Yeah, shallow na gate in 3, 2, 1. Just shallow. Defensive na gate. Kill mo.
Wait.
Yeah, go back.
Shit, tayo nice.
Go back. Spread, go back. Spread more. Don't give them large clumps. Don't leave the card large clumps. Nice. They have two cooldowns. Ready guys, cooldowns. Come northwest guys. Ready.
Stacking up yung ano.
Yeah. Ready, spread. Where's shaper? Come back.
Shaper, nagina yung shaper.
Okay guys, ready. Hold. Northwest now. Everyone, northwest bro. Northeast now. Everyone, northeast now. On the jug. Hold. Fake now. Just keep faking. Yeah. Shallow guys, ready. Shallow northeast. Hold. Fake now. Spread. Come southwest. Shallow southwest.
Moving up.
Matap mo in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me. Go back. Spread boys. Spread. May engage pa sila. Run. Just full run. Big pats, bro. Come northeast. Come northwest. Come back.
Jug ready.
Come back. Guys, ready. Shallow on the
Ready,
D-tanks, bro.
ready.
Everything on the D-tanks, guys. Can you guys kidnap the D-tanks? Northwest. On the D-tanks in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the D-tanks. Go back. Wait, pangay. Sakit. Kilang D-tanks. I don't know why.
Okay, na-stop namin.
Yeah, just hold. Just roll the D-tanks on top of you. Guys, kilat kayo. Looking sila. Spread pa kayo.
Dismounted
Spread fire. Use all the space. Use all the space. Heal me. Ready northeast. Everyone come northeast. Heal me. Come northeast guys. Hold. Come northeast guys. Keep
10 seconds
healing me. Shallow on top of us, bro. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top of me. Nice. Kill that. Nice. You go back.
Naka-hard hit base natin ah.
Yeah. Come southwest.
Nasa northwest yung...
Come southwest. Gigpats, boys. Ready. Wala pa.
Turning,
They still have a
turning.
fake. That's a fake. Guys, ready Gigpats na sa engage. Defensive. Come southeast now. Everyone come southeast. Guys, ready. Ready north. Everyone ready north. Deep. North now. Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest on me. Guys, damage.
Pasilence sa balista.
Go back.
Good dito ulit base natin ah. Good dito ulit base.
Yeah. My BS is doing shit. My main circle is not. Spread. Be careful front. May engage na. Spread guys. Can you guys not stay on the front? Bro, they're looking in the gate. Man! Ready, southwest. Come southwest. Everyone come southwest. Walk in. Spread. Walk in and spread, guys. Fake now. Ready. Hold. hold. Guys, ready. Shallow on Mugi in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Guys, everything on me. Spread northwest, guys.
Shaper,
Spread northwest and northeast. Spread northwest and northeast. Spread northwest and northeast. Don't go to the gate. Stop being stupid, boys. Oh my god. My Zerg. Come southeast. Go back castle. Rigger. Boys, Rigger. You guys are so fucking bad at open world. Come back castle. We're so fucking bad at spreading, guys. Enemy looks like they have engaged. Why are you guys still running? Nice hit. Spread more. Spread more. All my supports are here. Guys, spread more. Nag-walk in na sila, oh. Nag-walk in na. Shallow on me, guys. Shallow on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the gate. Nah. Go back. I don't naman.
Middles.
Ingat ka, baka ma-full push ka, Kidyo. Chill. Heal yearning. Yeah, just chill. Everyone just chill. I'm waiting for my riggers. It's fine. Perma engage, ah.
One zone away. I'm one zone away.
Kaya tayo true bolt mo ah.
Yeah. I'm just waiting for people. It's fine.
Ilan healer mo?
I lower
Two
the
healers.
wall.
2 healers. Party 1. Sa inyo, kumusta party 2?
Ah,
Shaper.
Nikolai. 3 dead lang, pero healthy on defense. Puro tank na to eh.
AFK si Nicolay, pre, pahil muna kung kan.
Ito,
Everyone, guys. Are they going to the gate?
Northeast.
Yeah. Just chill. Everything on the shield. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the shield. Hindi na tayo dito.
Bilis ng ano nila? Kill unit eh.
Yeah, spread, boys. Just spread.
Pag nag-drop pa, exalted na lang agad, bro.
Just spread.
Halfway kami yan.
They usually do perma engage, guys. They do perma engage. Okay. Spread more, guys. Spread more.
Silence ballista, please.
Silence lang yung balista, guys. Anifig.
Perma tunnel na, oh.
Stop yun, ah.
Wait,
Heal
happy
fan.
Kaya ako?
Sige lang. Just chill. Everyone just chill.
Papasukin mo pa kaya?
Shaper looking.
Yeah. Come back. No, I'm just holding for my riggers. I'm holding. They can't go in until my riggers.
Ayaw
Guys,
papasukin.
it's good. Mamaya, after this. Like 1 minute na stalemate. I just need to keep the stalemate for now. Until may rigger na ako. Heal fan. Shallow, guys, ready. Shallow, southwest on the D-tanks in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on me. On me. May D-tank. Spread more. Heal fan, guys, heal fan. Spread. You guys can go in if you're low. Go in. If you guys don't have any defensive system. Guys, be careful lang. Be careful lang. Go in. They're looking now. Looking west. Nice.
Dismounted yung chariot mo.
Heal fan. Heal ko lang. Okay. Guys, ready. Hold. Come in. Everyone, may DPS. Come. Guys, may DPS on the gate southwest, ha. On the gate southwest, may DPS. Hold. On top of me now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything me. Nice. Just spread. Where's my riggers?
Shaper stacking.
Yeah, Shaper stacking daw. It's fine. Just go back. Heal front. Heal cards.
One map away yung riggers.
One map, okay.
One map away.
Kasi ganyan naman talaga yung playstyle natin dapat eh. Puro Hillian Hoods.
Dismounting siya, ano yung balista nila?
Sige lang.
Oo.
Guys,
Next time, may balista din. I mean,
Ano yung riggers na iba?
probably halfway.
One map away. Wetland na daw, wetland.
Hill front,
Engaging.
guys. Front. Guys, northeast after this. Guys, can you stay away from the gate? Spread. Yeah, wait for the Shaper to engage.
Nakabantay ako.
Just chill.
Nasa
just
north.
chill.
North yung Shaper.
Yeah, just chill. Where's my riggers? 3 minutes na naghihintay.
Stacking, Shaper stacking ah.
Coming daw Shaper. Shaper coming. Okay, just chill. Guys, shallow on the gate. On the gate now in 3, 2, 1, everything in the gate, everything in the gate. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine.
Yung gate na yan 23%
Stop dying
sa
front, guys, heal front, heal front.
His front. Oh.
23%.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine,
5%,
it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine. Nice all pa, thank you. Okay, may supports are here. May supports are here. Sige lang. Kahit ma-open yan. Guys, if they come, you guys kite southwest. When they engage, you just run. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Spread more, spread more. Do not hit front, guys. Let me stay front. Let me stay front. I'm waiting for my regears. Okay? Nice. Okay, makahinga na tayo. We have 3 engages. Spread more. Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest.
Activist.
Come southwest. These guys will make a mistake. Dapat na earth throne na lang Spread more, spread more, spread more, spread more. Go southwest more if you don't have anything in front. Okay? Just chill, just chill, just chill, just chill. My D-tanks are here, my D-tanks are here.
Patay.
Heal front, heal Delacroix, heal Delacroix. Nice.
Hindi ako patay.
Good, 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 good. My regears are here, my regears are here. We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Ready. Honey, honey. Drop ka, honey, honey. Try mo nga mag-pull. Hindi ko ma-silent, sorry.
Iya ka?
Ina. Go, 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 go.
Hindi
Oh,
sumunod
no,
ako,
gago ka.
gagi.
GG ka.
Walang balista.
Ready. Hold. Ready, ready. Guys.
Yup, ready.
Nice one. Hold.
Uy, double check yung OC nyo, may nabasagan ng OC.
Yeah. Shallow on me. Hold. Shallow on me. Guys, after this. Shallow on me. Ready for counter. Shallow on me. Guys, heal flutter. Defensive. Guys, shallow. Come northeast. Deep, boys. Deep. Come north, deep down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North on me. Kill, please, kill. Okay, nice. Spread now. Guys, you guys can go in and spread. Cool down 10 seconds. We're gonna wipe them after this. Engage. Spread more. Ready. Guys, ready. Come northeast. Spread kayo. Don't walk in yet. May engage pa. Just ready. Ready. Hold. Come northeast, guys. Ready. Northeast. Come. Northeast now. Northeast on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on me. Fast. Damage them. Damage. Man, how? Come southwest. How are you guys dying?
Lambot lang sa gilid.
Dying, bro. They didn't even engage on you. They engage on the bomb squad. Spread. They're looking front. Wala pa. Looking pa lang. Engaging na. Guys, on their backline, guys. Ready. Guys, ready. Guys, ready. Hold. Come northwest. Everything. Guys, everything on me now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Kill that. Nice it. Spread. Spread. Go back. Oh my god.
Taper sa north.
Yeah, just spread. Come. Everyone come in. Come in.
Pa-heal sa likod.
Just come in. Hindi ko gets kasi ang in-engage nila Mugi yung bomb squad tapos nadama yung mga D-tanks ko. Hindi ko gets talaga. Come, spread. Go southeast.
Mounted yung balista.
Yeah. Let them walk in. You just need to kite. And some people can go to their backline straight northwest, bro. We're getting farmed so hard, bro. Looking front. Pag pangit yung position nyo, yan, tingnan nyo guys. Ready, southwest. Everett,
West
hold.
shaper.
Yeah. Hold lang kayo. Spread pa kayo.
Lumabas all pa.
Oh my god, come northwest now. Everett, deep. Fake now, honey. Try mo mag-eat.